Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga 1090. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Conga 1090 won't charge properly, you're not alone. This common issue can arise due to a faulty battery, damaged charging port or even software glitches. If left unresolved, you could find yourself without a functioning device, which is frustrating and inconvenient. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a new battery compatible with the Conga 1090, and some tweezers. First, ensure your device is turned off and unplugged. Begin by using the plastic opening tool to carefully pry open the casing of the Conga 1090. Start at the edge and gently work your way around, being cautious not to damage the clips. Once the casing is open, you will see the battery connected to the main board. Look for the battery connector, which is usually secured with a small Phillips screw. Remove this screw with your screwdriver and gently disconnect the battery from the main board. Take your new battery and align it with the connector, ensuring the polarity is correct. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the new battery is connected, replace the screw to secure it in place. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this can cause damage. Now, before closing the casing, it's a good idea to power on your device to ensure it charges properly. If everything looks good, proceed to reattach the casing, pressing firmly but gently to ensure it clicks back into place. Finally, give your Conga 1090 a test charge. If it charges successfully, you've done a great job. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to only use the original charger and avoid overcharging your device. Regularly check the charging port for any debris or damage. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.